Welcome back to the channel. Right now, COVID-19 or the coronavirus has really made a big impact on everyone in the entire world. I decided today, since hand sanitizer has been flying off the shelves, I was going to show you a DIY remedy. Let me set up my camera and show you how to make hand sanitizer. Hey guys, I'm having to do a voiceover with this because the audio quality was not that great. But what I am doing, I'm taking essentially 1/3 cup of aloe vera to 2/3 cup of alcohol, mixing it together and making hand sanitizer. Now, with the hand sanitizer, the big thing is to make sure that the alcohol content is at 70% or greater. Now, what you see, I am actually putting the aloe vera in the bowl, which I'm using more because I want to make more hand sanitizer. And now I'm going to start measuring out my alcohol. And then once I started pouring all of the alcohol in with the aloe vera, I mixed it up and I got the essential consistency of what hand sanitizer is. The best way to mix it up is either use a fork or use a whisk. That will help better blend your hand sanitizer. I have also been seeing online to add essential oils. So if you like lavender, mint, whatever, you can add essential oils to scent your hand sanitizer. But one of the good ones that I have seen is tea tree oil. Really, truthfully, be considerate and really think about what precautions you should be taking. Now, I know they are saying that this is more of a high-risk thing for older people, but younger people are also carriers of this. So make sure you are washing your hands continuously, 20 seconds at a time, and also make sure that you are sanitizing whenever you're not able to wash your hands, and practice the social distancing. I just wanted to say, I thought about this. Make sure if there is someone that is older in your community or someone that doesn't have family around, make sure to reach out to them and make sure they have all of the essentials that they need as well. This is the time that we need to come together as a country and help every single person out. With us banding and bonding together, we can get through this. Thank you so much for checking out the videos. If you will, please share this on Facebook if you think it's something informative. And also, hit a like and leave a comment. Tell me what you are doing to stay safe during all of this COVID-19 outbreak. But guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I want you to stay safe out there. And until I see you next time, on to the next stop.